How to scan multiple pages in the HP PageWide XL printer series.
To begin, use the front panel menu and click the Scan button. The first thing you need to do is configure your scan settings, including the color and resolution settings. Select one of the default presets or customize your own preset. Select which file format you'd like the scan to be saved in. Then select whether you'd like to save each page as a single file or whether you'd like to save all the pages as one multi-page PDF file. Then type in a file name and click Continue. Next, select where you'd like the scan to be sent.
Insert your first page with the text or image facing up. Make sure that the edge of the paper and the corners are straight when you insert the paper. Once the paper has been scanned, click the Release Page button to release the paper.
You can set this to happen automatically by configuring it as a preset option on the front panel. When you are ready to scan the next page, click Insert Next Page. Repeat this process to scan the remaining pages of your scanning job. When you're finished, click the Finish and Save button. You have finished scanning multiple pages.